HGK Bomb. The HGK Guidance Kit, developed by Tubitalk Sage, is a GPS/INS guidance kit that converts bombs range from 227 kilograms, 500 pounds, to 907 kilograms, 2,000 pounds. Mark 84 bombs into smart weapons. It enables precision strike capability in all weather conditions, with long range at a dispersion of 6 meters, 20 feet. Specifications: mass, 500, 1,000, or 2,000 pounds. Warhead: Mark 82, Mark 83, or Mark 84 warhead. Operational range: 15 miles, 28 kilometers. TRG-300 Tiger Missile. TRG-300 Tiger Missile provides accurate and effective firepower on high-priority targets within the ranges 20 to 120 kilometers. Tiger Missile can be launched from Roketsan Tiger Multi-Barrel Rocket Launcher, MBRL Weapon System, MCL Multi-Caliber Launcher, Artillery Weapon System, and other platforms with compatible interfaces. Diameter: 300 millimeters. Weight: 585 kilograms. Range: 30 to 120 kilometers. ATMACA Anti-Ship Missile. ATMACA is a high-precision, long-range, surface-to-surface precision strike anti-ship missile, which can be integrated to patrol boats, frigates, and corvettes. Length: 4,800 to 5,200 millimeters. Weight: less than 800 kilograms. Range: greater than 200 kilometers. Warhead weight: 250 kilograms. T-155 Firtina. T-155 Firtina, English Storm, is a Turkish 155mm self-propelled howitzer based on the K9 Thunder that was developed by South Korea's Samsung Techwin. The T-155 Firtina has a maximum firing range of 40 kilometers, depending on the type of ammunition. It can reach a top speed of 66 kilometers per hour and has an operational range of 480 kilometers. Anka. The Thai Anka is a family of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAV, developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, Thai, for the requirements of the Turkish Armed Forces. Basic Anka-A is classified as a medium-altitude, long-endurance male UAV. Envisioned in the early 2000s for tactical surveillance and reconnaissance missions, the Anka has now evolved into a modular platform with synthetic aperture radar, precise weapons, and satellite communication. HISAR-A. HISAR-A is based on an FNSS ACV-30 tracked vehicle chassis, armed with 4 vertical-launched HISAR-A short-range missiles supplied by Roketsan. The tracked HISAR-A system mounts its own mass-mounted Kalkan air defense radar and an electro-optic/infrared EO/IR system, allowing it to operate as an independent standalone system without the need to operate as a battery with a separate FCS. Minimum range 2 kilometers. Maximum range 15 kilometers. Minimum altitude 30 meters. Maximum altitude 5 kilometers.